How Bitcoin will be used to aid Ukraine. The Minister of Finance in Finland Annika Saarikko revealed on Wednesday to Helsingin Sanomat the government has prepared for weeks to donate a considerable amount from the sale of bitcoins seized by Finnish customs to Ukraine. The bitcoins were seized from drug and doping traffickers. To me, considerable means that over half is channeled to Ukraine. It's not taking anything away from anything else, she said to the newspaper, Helsinki Times. Before we continue, remember to like and subscribe to not miss another Topmarks video on anything related to money, Bitcoin, crypto and more, and tell me in the comments below what you think of this matter. Saarikko estimated that selling the seized crypto assets will provide about 70 to 80 million euros in additional revenue, adding that a considerable share of the proceeds, which as mentioned previously should be over half, will be donated to the country under military attack by Russia, which will help Ukraine significantly. When asked whether it should be sent quickly in the middle of the war as humanitarian aid or whether part of it should be sent later for reconstruction, she commented she was open to either. Saarikko also mentioned converting the crypto assets into traditional currency before making the donation, however, was identified as the best approach to making sure the recipient encounters no problems. Finland has already donated 14 million euros in support to Ukraine, however. This is 210 million euros less than that donated by what is a 10 times smaller economy in Estonia. Saarikko also thanked customs officials for enabling the country to significantly increase its aid to Ukraine. This is a historic decision that feels more than right. Criminals have been caught, the government has consequently got tens of millions, and it'll donate the money to those who need it the most right now, she commented. I can't think of a better use for the money than supporting Ukraine, Saarikko also added. If you enjoyed this quick crypto news update, please remember to like and subscribe. That is all for today. Thanks for watching Topmarks. Goodbye.